This 2022 Palomino Solaire Ultra-Lite 315 DQBH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. This new Palomino is 36 feet 4 inches in length and features one slide-out, a ESPRESSO interior, sleeps 8, leveling jacks, Colorado Detector, DVD player, microwave, stove-top burner, slide-out, external shower, smoke detector, refrigerator, oven, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Palomino Solaire Ultra-Lite 315 DQBH is 7,112 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Gauthiers RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.